it's an Ikidope, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a review, unboxing, and sound test of the Tonor TC 777 USB microphone. So guys, I'm super excited to get this microphone. I already have the blue snowball up here. It is a very good mic. I actually did a review on that. If you guys would like to go and watch it, I will leave it in one of the cards. I always forget which way it is, but I will leave it in one of the cards. But basically, I wanted to get a new microphone for my gaming PC, so I'm not going to be replacing the blue snowball. I'm just getting a new mic for my gaming PC. So without further ado, guys, let's just unbox it, and I'll show you guys what's inside. Okay, guys, so I'm about to open the box, but also I'd like to show you guys these specifications right there. It is on this side. I'm going to try and focus it as best as possible. If you guys would like to pause it, feel free to. So those are all the specifications. And yeah, I'm just gonna open it, guys. There's two slits that you have to open right there. Let's just get that. Boom. Alright, guys. Now that should be all you need to open it. Yep. Just slide out. Oh, I left a little piece. Just slide out right there, guys. Okay, so the first thing in the box that we have is the instruction manual. I will most likely be looking at this just to get a good overview of how to connect it and how to set it up. Should be pretty straightforward though. Then also what fell was the replacement warranty. You have a 2-year warranty on this, so that's pretty nice in case you break it or anything bad happens to it. So that's pretty cool. Then guys, next we have the pop filter right here. It is actually pretty small, since right there compared to my hand. You can see right there, it is pretty small compared to other pop filters. So you can see right there, boom. Then we have the actual mic. And everything is kind of together in this. Try not to break it, but everything already is come like pre-attached. So as you guys can see right here, here's another foam wind pop filter right there, guys. As you can see, here's the actual microphone. I'm just gonna take off the foam version just so I can show you guys the actual mic right here. So as you guys can see, this just comes off. So as you guys can see, it's kind of loose in my opinion. It's not very like on the shock mount right there, guys. As you guys can see, it comes pre-adjusted in a shock mount. It's kind of loose, not bad though. It's okay. So here's the actual microphone, guys. It is a blue color, Tonor on the front. As you guys can see right here, looks like a very nice mic, pretty good quality. But like I said, it's kind of just like falling out of the shock mount, which I don't know if, I've never really had a shock mount, so I don't know if it's supposed to do that. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Then you have the standard microphone tripod right here that just extends out and you can put on a desk like this, as you can see right there. Boom, nice and simple. Put it on the desk. You guys can't really see it. Put it on a desk like that. As you guys can see right there. So that is pretty cool. Okay, guys. Then next we have this like long stretchable cable, and this is where the pop filter will actually go. So I will show you guys how to do it. It's basically just twist it on, as you can see right here. So let me just do it for you. So as you guys can see, twist it on right there, put it in. So you twist it. Okay. Now that we have it nice and adjusted, you're gonna want to put this pop filter in front of the logo, because that is the front of the microphone. So as you guys can see right there, not perfect, but boom, like that, as you can see, nice and good. So guys, next what I'm gonna show you guys is there's the cable at the bottom. It is actually, you cannot unplug it from the bottom. It is just attached, as you can see right there. It is a USB side, and then this is obviously just pre-attached. So now I'm gonna plug it in, guys, to my computer and do a sound test for you guys, and just share all my overall thoughts. Okay guys, so this is what the mic sounds like. I have the foam windscreen on and I have the regular pop filter on. So I'm about 6 inches away, give or take, from the actual microphone. And this is what it sounds like right now, you guys. So it's pretty nice, it's pretty crisp. It is at 0 decibels, so I'm not boosting it in any way, shape, or form. But this is what it sounds like, guys. Okay guys, so that is the sound test of the Tonor microphone. In my personal opinion, for $40, this is a very good USB mic. It sounded very crisp and the quality was very nice. And honestly, this mic is really good and I'm really glad that I picked it up for my gaming PC. So if you guys would like to pick it up, I will leave an Amazon affiliate link down below. It gives me a little bit of money. You guys definitely do not have to though. But yeah, if you'd like to purchase it, there will be an Amazon link in the description. So yeah, that's going to be it, guys. If you guys all enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, share with friends, subscribe, and that's it. Dope out, guys. Peace.